right now and flying out of DFW going to Lusaka. Now, there are a lot of different ways you can get to Zambia, but the best way to go, or the shortest way to go as far as one stop, is through Emirates. Emirates flying through Dubai has a lot of destinations all over the US, and so I like to fly DFW, take one stop in Dubai, and then from there continue on down to Lusaka. So hoping for some warmer weather in Zambia. Well, almost forgot, you gotta travel with cash. For a foreigner and you want to get a visitor's visa, it's $50, so gotta make sure I get that.
Bye, babe. See you. Love you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can get all my notifications. I'm be spending the week here in Zambia watching one of my boys that have been sponsoring graduate from high school. So hope you all have a great week and enjoy your next travel to Zambia.